How you doing, everybody on YouTube? This is my second video. I just got these in. I just got these 2 bars in the mail. Wanted to show you guys what I got. Just a review, pretty much. Kind of an unboxing. I already done opened them. I gotta stop doing that and actually open them up on the channel. But this is what I got. I got a 1 gram RMC Republic Metal Corporation. I picked this up for $47 on eBay. Not a bad pickup. Really nice. Good detail. Good detail on the bar. I like it. It's pretty cool. Now it says 1 gram. Weight. Certified. Signature. Has the number at the bottom. Really nice bar. My other bar came with a plastic casing on it. This is the way the guy sent it. Extra protection, I guess. But hey, it's really nice. But this is Gold Gram IGR Instabal Gold Refinery. I think I'm saying it right. It's only 1 gram. It's nothing big. Nothing fancy. This is what I picked up so far. I will be picking up some more later on in the future. I'm sorry. It's not really focusing in that good. Probably blur from the light. Let's see if I can just do it this way. That's a little bit better. There we go, that's better. Yeah, that's what it looks like on the back. Really nice. They sent this really quick. Got it within 2 days. And I got this one, this red one, within about 4 days. Came from Florida. So, took a little bit of time. But I got here pretty quick. This is some of the stuff that I'm collecting. I'm collecting gold, silver, palladium, copper, a whole bunch of different things I'm going to start collecting. And I'll be doing more unboxings on here. And I hope you guys enjoy this. Please let me know in the comments. If you guys enjoy seeing what I get, or seeing something that you might like in the future that you might want to grab. Please share, like, subscribe for some more videos. And share this with people that collect gold. They might like this kind of channel. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.